It's a beautiful day. The rocks are shining. The lava's shining. The pokey stuff is shining. Even the bush is shining.
But, Ikup, we have a problem.
Again?
It has not rained in a while.
Okay.
Like, look, the trees are starting to lose their polygons.
This is like our 10th problem today.
I mean,
But then what are we gonna do?
One of us for it to rain, okay? Yeah,
Yes.
so sorry, Leon. You're gonna die. No!
No! Yes! Yes!
That's words. 5. No!
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's fixed, right? It's gonna rain.
There still aren't enough clouds in the sky, Ikup.
Oh, okay.
Damn it. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Oh no. Oh wait. I'm safe. Oh, I'm safe. Oh, no, I'm safe.